Hello everyone. Let's go and access Tinkercad and develop our first electrical circuit. Let's search Tinkercad in Google and enter through their site's link. In Tinkercad, you can log in so that any work you do can be saved in the future. Tinkercad can also be used to build 3D models. Here we can see two Otto models below. In another course, we'll work on this section with modeling, but for now, let's see the construction and simulation of a circuit. Just click Circuits on the left side and then click Create New Circuit. Now we are ready to build and simulate our first circuit. Let's start by selecting the battery and we drag and drop on the pallet. By clicking the Rotate button, we can rotate our battery. We can see that the terminals has two different colors, red and black, both positive and negative. Let's drag the switch now to the pallet and we connect the central terminal to the red positive charge of the battery. Now we drag in the resistor and turn it. From here, we connect it to the other terminal of the switch. Now, let's drag the LED into the pallet. We rotate it, and we connect it to the terminal of the resistor called anode, the negative charge, and the positive terminal called cathode. Now that we have armed our circuit, we can do a power on test by going to the right hand corner and click Start Simulation. While it is simulating, we can turn on and off our LED using this switch. Once the simulation is finished, we can save the circuit by giving it a name using the space at the top left. Now that we've seen a quick introduction to Tinkercad, we can continue with our course, and I will see you again soon.